Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. There we go. Now we can see us. Hopefully, we can hear us. Good morning, good morning, good morning, gang. Happy, what even is today? Wednesday, I think. It is utter chaos in my household right now. We're trying to get Trading Cowboy on here as well. Shoo! What a stinking morning. So unfortunately, hold on, is this even working yet? I think it is. Oh yeah, she's working. So that is some. Why isn't it working down here though? You'll have to give us a sec. There we go. There we go. Now that's working. All right, we're gonna be working in a sec. We'll be good again in a sec. Let's move this down here. So, good grief, man. Bought a trailer last night. Basically, long story short, we'll get into more details later. But bought a trailer last night. Brought it home. Had to go to the DMV this morning to get it registered. Left without having the garage door clicker. Got locked out of the house because the wife was already gone. So, hence why I'm late. Came back. The ducks, the new little ducklings, covered in motor oil, unfortunately, because it did an oil change a while back in the go-karts. Left the motor oil on. Try here too. It just keeps trying to open it in Safari. I even have Chrome as default. Okay. 1 second, gang. Trying to get Mr. Cowboy in here. Oh, how can we do that? We can do that in Instagrams. There, let's see if that works for the gentleman with the cowboy hat. Oh, my God. The dog's barking in the background because he hasn't been let out yet. The ducks are getting the oil off of him. It's a little hectic. A little hectic. Haven't looked at the market yet, so you bear with me for a sec here, guys. Oh, let's see. What are we doing on the 1 hour? Hey, Lewis, what's up? Good morning, H-Town. How we all doing, guys? Again, sorry. A little bit. Hey, what's up? 300. 300 on the day already for Mr. Lewis. Checking out this 1 hour. We did come up and we're bunking our heads against the 200 EMA on the 1 hour, which should give us pretty good resistance. We also do have our London highs up here, though, at 534, which might be a juicy target, which is essentially our overnight highs as well.
It's like not coming out.
You have to use Dawn dish soap. Do we have Dawn dish soap? Yeah, I know. Yeah, so again, sorry if you guys missed that open. We have ducklings in the garage. We left a huge old thing of oil in the garage from go-kart changes. The ducklings have been playing in the oil, unfortunately. So that's what we're dealing with right now. So right now we have a bunch of ducklings in the tub. The oil's not coming off. So hold on 1 sec. We're trying to get Cowboy in here.
You're like so not concerned about this.
Hey, they're fine. They're gonna be fine.
Hey, they're covered in motor oil.
They're not covered. I can see it in their own eyes. They're okay. Right? We're just gonna do a Dawn dish soap. Such a commercial. What are you using?
Dish soap.
Yeah.
I need you to take care of all that now.
Again, I cannot take care of it now. It just
You
isn't
should have done
possible.
it months ago when I brought it up to you.
Okay, again, what did I tell you? We have to go to the dump with it, right? That's how you do it.
Why is everything okay? You can take care of stuff by yourself. It's just like how I do take care of
It's a
stuff by
huge,
myself.
just a huge kind of nasty, messy
I understand
dish.
that. You are capable.
Oh, chaos reigns, chaos reigns, chaos reigns. Hey, morning driving obsession and good morning, good news. We are getting Cowboy in here in a sec. We just have slight technical difficulties. For some reason, the video link that I sent him that allows him to jump in the stream with us isn't working at the moment. Man, we bunked our head off that 200 EMA, popped down just a friggin' rip back up. Came down here to the 475s. We came up here to the 525 so far. There, we'll give the man a call. Yeah, I don't know. He's troubleshooting in the background. We will get him soon. But on the 1 minute, we are forming a nice little bull flag now. We're popping up. We are hitting a little bit of resistance, though. We haven't been able to break the 522s, which was a good resistance point on the 5 minute earlier. Oh, God. Let me let the dog out, too. Just again. Sorry, gang. Chaos today. Terrible stream so far. Oh, I'm certainly discombobulated. So let's see. We weren't able to break a new high, though. We are forming a little bit of a resistance point. Boom, bada, boom, bada, boom, bada. Should have shorted when we saw the 1 hours was bunking its head on that 200. Let me see. What is ES doing? ES has strong wicks up. It is struggling, but it has some strong wicks up. VIX is starting to show some strength, though. Oof, NVIDIA gapped up. Huge candles up. Q's gapped up as well. Alright, hold on. Hey, there he is! Man, I need you right now, too, because it is chaos in my household. Hold on. Let me tag in really quick. All right, there we go. There's the man we're all looking for. Whew! Can you see us? Can you hear us? Are we here? Are we working? Say something, sir. Oh, shit, I can't hear you. Hold on. Is my volume down too low? Nope, my volume's up. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. We can't hear him. Yep, there it is. There we go. We got him back. We got him back. Okay, so again, quick synopsis for anybody that missed it. Basically, bought a trailer yesterday. Had to go to the DMV this morning. Wonderful experience, though. I literally waited 2 minutes in line for this DMV. got my plates, got home. Wife was already gone, and unfortunately, I didn't have my garage door clicker because in the truck right now, the truck's not home. So I got locked out, so that's why we were late this morning, and then we had technical difficulties, and then amongst all of that, we have some old oil that's in the garage. The ducks that are in the garage right now because they're too small to be in the pen because they can escape.
Yeah.
Got in the oil.
Yeah, I got in the oil and they're starting to drink and get sick.
Correct. So we have ducks covered in oil right now. So, Cowboy, I'll let you, hold on.
And my mom is mad at my dad.
Yes, she is. So I'll let you take it away for a sec, sir, so I can go troubleshoot this situation. Oh, God.
Okay.
All right.
Can you just hear me?
Get past it.
What are we thinking, up or down?
Yep.
Think down?
Yep. I don't know it.
Did you put on chat yet?
Dad, he was saying something to me.
Oh, wow.
And I think he was talking Spanish.
We're going to see how it acts out here, guys. I mean, if it can get back above that 450, but I don't want to try to snag it too fast. There's a little support there. We're starting to slowly stair step. Maybe it can punch through that 425. How patient do we need to be? I mean, look at that.
26,
Wait,
27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
Out! Out!
So it's a little compensation.
Yeah, I mean, don't you think we need to buy it right there? I think that was the play right there, guys. Right where I had my little entry set up to go long. That would have been a nice. We did have to throw it pretty fast, maybe. That would have been a nice little 18.
And I actually printed this for my dad.
Yeah, you can trade all that right there. Oh, you printed that, yeah.
Out!
And the other print, and what my brother got is for Christmas is the 3D printer, and that's how I print this.
Super cool.
Thanks. And I actually, me and my brother actually have a bunk bed.
Out!
All right, driving concession. I'll try to talk into the microphone a little bit louder. But
Yeah, but we actually have a bunk bed in my house.
oh yeah, can you click that little buy button up there for your dad?
What are you talking about? What buy button?
Just right there in the top.
Huh?
Do you think we can click the red?
Well, today we're having an online garage sale.
That's what I'm saying, Jose.
Yep. Well, we're having an online garage sale, and when I'm done with selling this stuff, I'm gonna get money like my dad, and I'm gonna share some of the money with him, so we can buy something.
Heck yeah. What are you gonna buy?
Well, I'll tell you. I'll tell you what I'm gonna call the toy. I'm gonna call the
How'd you get
toy the dino plane. We'll watch a few different
There's our
stuff.
another line right there.
It actually watch a few different
Now let's see how it reacts.
stuff.
Otherwise, we're going back down to 386.
So it launched 2 cars, then 2 dinos, then 1 helicopter on the back. Super
Yeah.
cool, right?
Oh yeah, super cool. Heck yeah.
So you might want to get a lot of money because you might want to buy that actually.
Yeah. For real.
And I don't know when my dad can be back. Maybe he can be
Hey,
back
Mark.
in 1 hour.
You got the show for the next hour?
Yeah, he's definitely in 1 hour. So
Now we're getting a little pause. We'll take some of this off.
And my mom and my mom's and we got iPads. I got the robot and I got the very cool blue one.
Nice.
So and I have a lot of different games.
That's too cool.
Whoa. It's super cool.
All right, guys. We didn't quite get that where we wanted to. Averaged down a few times. Was able to get back with a little bit of money.
Yeah, definitely a little
So
bit.
we were able to save ourselves, but
Well,
we can't hold
it's-
here. I think our next top 352.
Well,
and maybe
I
the
bet
lowest.
my dad is coming here really quick.
Cool.
But when? Nah, maybe just in some competitions. Whoa. And my brothers printed this too.
Yeah.
So,
I know, Jose. I was trying to get him to buy it right there.
yeah. And when my dad gets back, I'm going to tell him that we were chatting.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Tell him we were trying to buy it right here. Tell him we were trying to buy the stock market right here.
Yeah, it's definitely it's definitely cooler. Dad.
Rose, have you just been talking
Starting to
the
go
whole
back up
time?
a little bit.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, God. Okay.
Dad, I was
If you could just
chatting
click
with
that-
him.
Click that green button right there. Oh, hey, Greg.
Daddy.
What's up, bud?
Man, we couldn't get him to click anything.
Oh, man. All right, Rose. All right, go see Mama real quick, okay? So we can concentrate.
Hey, Dad.
Thank you. You did a great job.
Daddy.
All right, I want to be able to concentrate now, please.
Dad.
All right, Rose. Yeah, what?
I actually was chatting with him.
Thanks, baby. You did a great job. Here's your water. Oh, my God. Okay.
I was like, the green button. In the
The
very
green
top.
one, bud. Hit that buy button right there. Oh, my God.
All right, guys. If it went through right here again, I'm going to try it one more time. I know that's crazy. I think we're going to 352.
352s. Let's see.
Greg wasn't here earlier. I've already done dumber things.
353.
Am I still pretty quiet driving obsession? I started eating the microphone because they said I was a little quiet.
Oh, okay. Huh. Where's my... Oh, did this dude mess up with all my stuff, too? No. I don't know why this is picking up everything now, it seems like. Hold on. This makes it worse, right? Yeah, that makes it worse. Oh, God. Okay. Let's pretend like we want to trade. My God. Discombobulated day.
Kind of liking what it's doing right here, but I know I'm probably the only one in the room.
Order filled.
For the longies.
Order filled.
I got 8 up a while ago. I had to average down a little bit, but
Oh, okay.
that drop happened.
Yeah, dude, that drop came out of nowhere. It's working out so far, though, sir.
Stop filled. Order rejected.
Come on. What time is it? 9:55. You got 20 seconds left of this candle. Is there ever? You feel? Oh my God, I don't even know if there's news today or anything else.
No, I have no idea.
Stop filled.
Okay. Well, we got the first one. First one jitters out. 19 bucks on the day. Good God. Okay. Cowboy's mic is quiet. Let's go. I caught that short. Shoot, man. I have him. That's what I was trying to mess with yesterday again. This OBS update screwed everything up. Video Ninja.
Yeah, terrible.
Oh, here you go. This
And
is
I got
yours.
my mic right here.
All right, I can turn you up. I can turn you up over here. This should make him higher. Let us know if he's
How's that, guys? Are we banking yet?
Yeah, there we go. That should be good. Okay, fuck me.
There's 35 points. Still going. I'm going to take another one off just because that's the 9. Got one left.
Ooh, check DM or Discord, Isaiah. You got to put that stuff on the Discord now, bud. Yeah, man. It's an intense morning. Isaiah, I can't remember, but if you don't know about the Discord yet, we did create one. It's in its little fledgling stages so far, but it's starting to grow a little bit of traction. But yeah, man, put your wins and losses in there as well. Show them to the people.
Yeah, if you're not part of the Discord, Isaiah, shame on you.
Yeah. Look
Better
at
get
big
it now while it's free.
dude, Big Scotty with the friggin' Tradeify payout certificate, 2,145 stinking dollars.
Look at that.
There's a win in the Discord.
Freaking amazing.
Shoo! Look at that, Scotty got the Lambo. Randy
I'm
Gear
still trying to
hitting
get a
us.
Tradeify payout.
Randy Gear hitting us with a beautiful stinking trade. Look at this. Up $1,000. Nice, bud. Beautiful stinking trade. Yeah, see? There you go. Post in the Discord, man. We can celebrate your wins. Alright, let's see if we can't get back into trading here. Oh, I'm Randy. Nice, Isaiah. Beautiful trade. I agree. Beautiful stinking trade. Yeah, VIX is coming down pretty darn nice, man. Oh, I don't want to FOMO with this trade now, but you know, definitely seems
I'm going
pretty
to move my
strong.
stop now to the bottom of those candles because that's our consolidation point. So if it comes
Yep.
back to that, then we may be going back down. Just like it's doing. See that? But it bounced on it, so we'll see.
Hey,
I don't like
Charles.
that big wick up.
Charles. Good morning, Boppy.
Good morning.
SD boys. Good morning, sir. Isaiah, can't do it on my evals. I screwed my account again, but let me tell you, that was a beautiful read on a paper account. Risk management, even for paper.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yep, beautiful trade. Shoot, man, this 5-minute is starting to look ugly. What time even is it? It's 9:59, so we only have 30 seconds left until our new 1 hour. We do have some juicy targets below, like this 325. If we break the 325, we might finally be coming down to our 219 that everybody's been salivating about.
Alright, so that right there, that 360 is our pivot point on a 5-minute. I'm going to buy it again one more time right there and just see if it can hold.
Yeah, I don't
And
hate
just
it.
risk, just, you know,
Ooh,
20, 30 points maybe.
wicking down. Let's see though. Ooh, that's actually kind of a nice wick, isn't it?
It's not terrible. I mean, it's still pushing down pretty
But it's
hard.
still pushing, yeah.
Order filled.
Man, ripping down to his 320s now.
Order filled. Order filled.
See if we can't get a 320 bounce.
Order filled.
There we go. No bottom wick though, but let's see if we can't get a nice little push here.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take a
Order
couple
filled.
off just because of that lack of a bottom wick. Makes me always nervous.
Sure.
Stop filled.
Come on. If we can keep getting this nice push though, shoot. Come on. Nothing wrong with it. I have everything in profit now, just in case.
Yeah.
But beautiful stinking push now. See if we can't get back up to the 407s. That would be stinking nice. Beautiful trade so far.
Yeah.
Shoot, man. Look at
Bad, eh,
that.
guys?
Look at that.
Maybe get back to the 410s, 400.
Shoot, I got one runner left. I almost feel silly letting it come all the way down, though.
Yeah. Yeah. Everybody needs to take profit when they're comfortable, right?
But Cowboy's like, I'm not fucking talking. I'm not taking no profit, you pussies.
Well, if I
He's
get out
like-
of the
he's
trade,
like-
I want me to get back into one. So
He's like, if you're a vagina, go ahead and take profit, but you know. Oh God, man, what a guy, what a guy.
all right, I got 2 left, guys.
All right, I'm gonna bring it up to the bottom of this wick now, guaranteeing 20 points for the runner.
Yeah, I got one set at guaranteed 25, another set at 5. But man, I mean, look at that. We're up 70 points, 80
Look at
points.
that. Come on, baby. I'm gonna bring the
8
target
points
actually up to
back.
VWAP maybe, not to get silly, but oh shoot. Hold on, we need this one. We need this next candle to keep pushing. Hopefully we don't break 68. Don't break 68.
I got one to be taken off at 71.
Come on, come on. Push up, push up, push up.
Yeah, let's see if we want that 80 to hold, right? That's where people should be buying back in.
Yeah, literally, right?
Go away, Jet.
Poor stinking, poor ducks. What a situation, man. But man, shout out to Lake County DMV. So this is the 3rd time that I've gone to this DMV, and every single time my wait is less than 3 minutes.
Get away from her.
And in this
Wow.
instance, literally, like, I walked in, I got my ticket, I sat down for like 30 stinking seconds, that was it. And then they called my number, and then I had to do the truck and the trailer. So it took about 15 minutes, but, and just, you know, the lady was a little bit newer, so her manager had to come over a couple times and, like, answer some questions. Look at that, guys. Popping all the way up to the 4 stinking hundreds now. How high do we think we can go? Honestly, I'm almost about to move this target up to the 470s now. Let's see if we can't get friggin' wild with it. If it keeps going, it should keep going, right? How much sense does that make?
Right, guys?
Hey, guys, if it
Right,
keeps
guys?
going, it should keep going.
Yeah, if it's going up, I mean, we should go up a little.
It was going to go up. It's going to go. Oh, God. I hope you're watching this, Charles. I hope you're stinking watching this, bud. I've been in this long now. Look at this. I'm up 123 bucks in this long. We're still holding it.
Yeah, there's no worries. He's not nervous.
Right?
He wants to get out real bad, though.
I do want to get out real bad, though. We got 4 seconds left on this candle. I guess I'll bring it up to maybe the 77s now.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want it to come all the stinking way back, though. Charles is watching. He's watching. I'm about to get wicked right here, though. Hopefully the 9 will hold. Hopefully the 9 will hold. Come on, baby. Come on. Though obviously a safer stop would be 68 again. I should almost move it back down. Man, I want one more candle, so I got that like 2 candle buffer. That'll make me feel a lot better. Like, I might look calm and collected, guys, but underneath this table right now, my legs are ducking. You know, I got them duck legs swimming real fast right now underneath this table.
I mean, you could have a 100-point trade right here.
Yeah, Bob. Yeah, we could. 340.
And I really like trying to take it off at 420, but
Yeah, I know. I was about to do that too, right? Now
maybe
you got me
410.
all-
It looks like 410 is kind of.
Now I'm trying to push
See if they can
it.
push through it this time.
Now see if we can't push. See if we can't stinking push.
that.
Look at
Look at
that.
Push,
Look at that. Oh,
Push.
man.
push.
Shee, that's not bad.
Oh,
That's-
I want 100.
Oh, man, I know. I should have held it for like a little second longer, honestly. But I
Oh.
took it at 420, basically. We hit the
Well, that
VWAP.
420 is the bottom of the box, kind of. So that's
Yeah.
426. So,
Yeah.
oh, come on.
Good stinking trade, though, bud. Not bad. We're back up to 51,170 on this account. The 3rd day of trading it, I might add.
All right, we'll take it off at 400 if it comes back.
Man, Isaiah, yeah, bud. Real good long, right? Isaiah was targeting the 420s as well. Let's go, boy, says Marco. Let's go, says Charles. Look at that, guys. Look at stinking that. What a win. Cowboy still friggin' riding it. How's your heart?
Yeah, right.
You know, my heart, luckily for me, that's one thing that doesn't go crazy anymore. Even like I don't sweat that much anymore. I used to do these streams and I would stand up afterwards, like after doing the stream, and my entire side was just drenched, man.
Wow.
Like the Patrick streams, dude. When I left the BDA, whoa! He's
Did it
got it
work?
working!
Was it too loud?
Dude, it was beautiful. I don't know. It hyped me up. It hyped me up. But yeah, man, when I left the BDH, literally, I would sweat all the way down to like here. You know, like this entire thing was just, you know, I was just
Oh, yeah.
profusely. My body was not ready for live streams yet. Oh man, there's some oh, you're out now. Yeah, of course. I was gonna say we just got a real nice spike up to that VWAP there.
Yeah.
Shoo, not bad though. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, I was literally 3/4 of a point from hitting 100 points. So
Yeah, yeah. Beautiful call out, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful call out.
see how they did it to us again? They didn't hit that low.
Right.
They stopped it 8 points in front of it.
Right, man.
pushed it
Yeah,
right
just
back up.
just tease people and then friggin' rip.
Yeah.
And then look at that candle. This candle doesn't even have any wick on it. That's how much it just rocket shipped. Just went. Oh, Lewis!
Thanks,
Lewis!
Big Scotty.
Big Scotty with a big old trade. A
2.3.
$2,300 short, bud. Dang. So what were the levels? What did you take? How did you go run around the had to do a lap. Lewis had to do a lap. What were the levels? What did you do? What did you I might have missed it too if you called it out earlier, but where'd you go short in at? Check the retrace, didn't hold the pivot. Candle with a big wick made a good go short. Go long retrace. Man, yeah, let us know, bud. Let us know. So, we had our EMAs curling down and fanning out pretty darn good, but now our 9 caught up to our 21, hugging and kissing it just a little bit. Lewis just pinged it in the Discord. So if you guys want to see Lewis' big old dick trade, you got to go into the Discord to see it. Dude, nice, man. Yeah, beautiful stinking trade. Beautiful trade. Where's that blue trend line coming from? That blue trend line held beautifully. What time frame is that from? Is that from the 1 hour? Nice, man. So, Cowboy, what else do we have on there then? We have an applause track. What other exciting features do we got over there, sir?
You know, the bad part is I can't hear it on our end right now. But what do we got? We can shoot this thing down.
I like that.
This is the one I'll be using a lot when it doesn't work out.
Yep.
For Big Scotty right here.
Awesome!
You. Yep.
Yeah, there's a bunch of other ones. We're gonna try to change some of them, but yeah.
Nice, dude. I love it. Man, on my end too, for some reason your microphone does sound a little bit distorted. Like it's not bad, but it's just a little bit kind of like robotic, just slightly, just a ting.
Yeah.
Which otherwise, I was really impressed yesterday when I went back and watched the stream. It was perfect, man. There was no echo, like
Yeah.
because I dialed in the gain too and everything like that. But it literally sounded beautiful, man. I thought our levels were perfect. So Lewis basically had a $300 winner, which was a long from open. Realized it was rejecting Stalin, so switched short from 474. Broke session VWAP, retested, rejected, then pushed up. Man, love it. That's the 1 hour trend line. Yeah. More just using levels and trend lines for awareness. Sweet, dude. I like it.
And we bought a little bit of it back from Lewis and wrote it back up to the top.
Yeah, exactly, man. So again, just absolute beautiful thing right there, right? And another good reason to always call out your trades and call out your levels and things like that. Because even if we're slightly, not even to say fading ourselves, we might be in agreement with levels, like maybe we're shorting to the 420s, so then somebody can, long to the, long at the 420s and vice versa.
Yeah, that's what I was talking. I challenged Zero Dawn yesterday, and I said, okay, look, one day we're gonna go live, and there's gonna be 10 of us all live. We're gonna go with one micro, and the only button we're gonna have is the cancel reverse button.
Yo.
So you always have to be in a trade.
Yep. Oh
and
my
then winner
God.
takes all.
Dude, how...
And we'll do it for an hour.
How fun is that going to be, man? Everybody's just going to be laughing their dicks off, in all honesty. It's going to be so funny. Especially because, again, people will be fading each other. It'll be kind of like the competition with me and Alex at the very end on maybe that first Friday or something, where anything I did, because he was already up, he instantly faded me, just to keep the edge.
Yeah.
Which he ended up losing half of his profit because of that. But yeah, it's kind of funny. So now the 9 actually did cross over the 21. Is trying to cross over the 50 here. We're forming a little bit of a bull flag on our 1 minute. We're dancing right at VWAP. We have our 1 minute 200 EMA right above us. We might be going up to test this resistance midline point back up here at the 464s. Lewis says, Greg, you should run a trading competition. I used to do it with some traders I know. Man, so Cowboy and I were literally just talking about that yesterday, seeing how we could host exactly that. So how did you guys do it? Do you know what platform did you utilize to do it and things like that? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's an easy enough way to do it. Just take a practice account, add the account number in the Discord, Yeah, and then just whoever made the most profits and stuff like that. That would certainly be an easy way to do it. I was wondering if there was a way we could do it like Patrick style without having Patrick style connections.
Yeah.
But yeah, Top Step was doing that. He says Charles. People are using Top Step, but guess you could use any accounts. Interesting. Yeah, that could be really fun, man. And then we could make, yeah, like we were thinking about, we could make a little trophy or something like that, so that the winners will get a
Yeah.
nice little trophy, or like a glass something, or like a little glass bowl. That'd be pretty cool, actually. So we've basically done a V-shaped recovery up to that pivot point I was just talking about, that 464s. I wasn't paying attention though because I've been yapping. But how crazy is that? Look at that. It literally came perfectly up to that pivot. So we got to see, are we going to reject now, or is it going to push through? Winner gets a Discord tag, Trading Champion. That's a really good one too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Yeah, and then
I like that.
if you lose the next one, then your belt gets taken from you.
Yeah, dude, just like F1, you lose the number. You're not number one anymore.
Yeah.
Man, that'd be cool. But there'd still be like I guess I want there to be like a ghost stamp in there or something like that. So it's still like, all right, he did it once at least, you know. That's cool, man. Yeah, good idea. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so bull flag is still bull flagging. Looking real good. ES is looking real good. It popped through its 200. It's bumping its head right now on VWAP just a little bit. We're already above VWAP though. Nvidia is looking pretty decent. VIX is looking like a good spot for it to continue to fall. So I'm not hating the longs.
No, that was our pivot point, 464.75 ish on TradingView.
Yep. How are they doing? Babe, come on. She's still mad at me.
Yes, I'm very angry at you. It was irresponsible of you. You knew that you should have taken care of that.
I mean, I feel like everybody has some used oil in their garage that's been in there for a while. It just happens. Like, I gotta be, like, Cowboy, come on. You gotta have, like, you got gallons of that lying around, don't you? He's like, no, I'm a responsible human being. I took it to the dump.
We probably have, and H-Town can agree to this, but we probably have over 250 gallons of used oil sitting behind our shop right now, waiting to be vacuumed out.
Yeah, right? Because it takes forever to like properly dispose of it. You know, for us, we have to drive it, I think, like 20 minutes to the dump. I don't know if I can just bring it to AutoZone or not. Can you just bring used oil to AutoZone?
Oh, yeah, you can take it to them and they'll do it.
And they'll do it, yeah. Does it have to be in like a nice container? Or you can just bring it sloshing around in a friggin' Tupperware.
Oh, you can just take it like that. They should have a container, but usually what we do is whatever container we empty,
Jack,
the
get
new
out of
oil, and we put the old oil in it. So.
Yeah. Hold on.
But
Well, yeah,
we've got a
yeah.
big truck that comes
Get out of there.
and sucks it out for us every 3 months or so.
Sorry, the dog was trying to get the ducks. Yeah, so that was kind of the issue is I can't remember. I guess because I just have like little quarts for the go-kart oil. It was like little quarts or something like that. And so instead of putting it back in the little quarts, like I had a big 2-gallon thing of, I can't remember what it used to be. It was probably like a lemonade or something. So I threw it in there instead, and over time it just deteriorated the plastic, unfortunately. So that didn't work. Or something happened. I don't know. I guess it doesn't necessarily make sense that oil would deteriorate the plastic. It should have helped it maybe, but I don't freaking know.
Must have been in the sun or something, maybe?
Yeah, or the kids dropped something on it, or I don't know. It's right by
Yeah.
all their bikes and shit. All right, let's see. We have a whole big old volume shelf that we're building right here at the 450s. EMAs are curling up real nice. We're forming a really nice bull flag on the 5-minute for everything. Us, ES.
Yeah.
VIX is curling up just a little bit, but I think that's just for it to hopefully bump its head and go down. Still poking, still pushing. It's 10:20 right now. Here's our 5-minute. We're breaking through our resistance point. $60, $40. This would be kind of our little resistance line right here at the 480s. Minus the bull flags. Ah, son of a gun. I was going to say minus the bull flags. That's almost a good place to go short. And then I looked up and you're short. And I'm like, oh, I can, yeah, that makes sense. Let's go short.
May not work.
Yeah. Do they have pickle KFC meal in the U.S.? Man, I don't know. If I gotta be honest, like my wife, you know, super holistic and stuff like that, we try our best not to go to fast food. So we don't really go too often. I haven't been to KFC in forever. It's probably been like 10 years now or something like that. Though we do have Chick-fil-A here, which is basically like KFC, and we do go to Chick-fil-A once in a while. We pretend like it's healthier, but it's not.
Order filled.
Let's see, is this going to be our resistance point again, or are we going to break through this time? Trying to kind of just slowly add into it, and the off chance we do want to come up here to the 520s. Marco says only fast food he eats is Wendy's or something. And only burgers, no fries. Lewis, I don't eat much fast food, but I might have to try the pickle meal. Dude, I gotta look up to see what this pickle meal is, man. I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't know anything about this pickle meal. I'm behind the 8 ball on the pickle meal. Dude, I do remember, though, when KFC did the double down back in the day, where it was a chicken, there was no bun at all. It was a chicken patty, it was cheese, it was a whole bunch of bacon, it was cheese, and it was a chicken patty again. And that was it. So it was like the greasiest thing ever to eat, but my God, it was delicious. Come on, let's see if this can't start pushing down for us here. Come on. Come on, come back down to the 9. Marco remembers the double down. When I was in Canada, I won't lie, I was nailing Chipotle. Yeah, dude, there was yeah. Like I have so many friends, same thing, so many friends that love Chipotle as well. That's another one that I'm okay with that stuff once in a while, but now that I've gotten, I don't know, once you stop eating it and then you try to eat it, you're like fucking ugh. Not to make it sound like that. But it really is weird. Like, I used to be addicted to sour gummies, you know, like I would eat sour gummies all the time. And now, you know, we don't have any red dyes or anything like that in this household anymore.
Yeah.
So now even if I try to eat Sour Patch Kids or anything, I'm like, ugh, this thing tastes terrible now. Which makes me so sad because it was like the love of my life. Man, if anybody's concentrating on this trade, we're up 20 points on it already. The short is still shorting, boys. The short is still shorting. We're down here to the 21 now, 443. If we can break this and break VWAP, we're going to have a hell of a short. We got 5 seconds left of this candle. Then we'll have our new 5-minute, which might wick me out. Took me out of one, but we still got that? No, I'm out.
Look at that.
I was like, well, we still got that runner. No, we don't.
Wow.
Now it's gone.
That was a push.
Yeah, that was kind of a crazy push, man. Crazy reversal out of nowhere. Oh, In-N-Out Burger, says Miguel. Yeah, man, that's another one. I haven't tried In-N-Out Burger yet, which I've heard really, really good things. So I'm going to have to try it one of these days. I just had my first ever White Castle experience like 4 months ago. And, man,
Yeah.
it was unfortunately terrible. Now, I will also
didn't
say
know.
part of that experience was I literally was in the drive-thru, and this was like 4 days after it opened. I was in the drive-thru for about an hour and a half. And it was one of those things like
Oh,
my kids really wanted to do it, and like my wife is like, all right, fine, this is a one-time special treat thing, because again, we don't do fast food. So is it like 7 o'clock at night, you know? So it's supposed to be a quick, like, this is only half a mile away. We get the burger, we come back, that's it. You're in bed by like 8 o'clock at the latest. So it being like an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes, you know, I didn't even get home until like 8:45 or something, 9 o'clock. It's so late now, way
Oh.
past their bedtime. Food tasted terrible. Ugh. On the 5-minute, man, I really like these wicks trying to push up on the 5-minute, but that's what we kind of did here right before we kaboomed. So we definitely have to be a little bit careful. In the bed at 8, on the
Right now
toilet
we're
at
getting
9.
getting kind of 30-minute, 1-minute or 30.1-minute candles right now. So
Yeah, bud. Yeah, we gotta be a little cautious because look at the consolidation phases we were having before that. These were teeny tiny little candles. I mean, not teeny tiny, but these are back down to 20 pointers, 15 pointers, and then you're right, just kaboom. Got real big and girthy.
yeah.
Man, so that trailer experience, and cut me off when you're ready to make a trade. I'm just gonna keep talking today.
Oh no, you're good.
That trailer experience yesterday, I was so stinking confused on color, man. I had no idea what to do. Literally no idea what to do. Like, I absolutely loved the all black. I thought it looked sick, but
Yeah.
he made a good point that it's such a mirror finish and everything like that everything shows. And there was even like maybe 3 or 4 little acorn, you know, hits on the front of it. They were really obvious. So I was like, man, I don't want this thing to look like shit in a year, you know, usage. So then it was between that matte black one, which in person didn't look as good on as it did in video, or the gray one, which I think looks better in person than it does in the video. But
Yeah.
yeah, still excited for it. Pretty cool.
Heck yeah.
Sod, we green today. How much you up, cowboy? 10K? He
Oh.
probably is.
Oh,
Listen,
Todd, we're just playing micros, Todd.
He probably
We're up
is.
801 though.
801 on the micros. I'm up 331, 333 on the micros. 51,250.
We had almost a 100-point trade while ago. It ended up being over 100 points, but it knocked me out.
Yep.
It got up to like 90 points, I think.
Yep.
And then my last runner, it came within 3 ticks, 3/4 of a point from being 100 points. But then after that, it went up to like 120 or so.
Yeah. Man, we got to start doing that somewhere. Like put a little man, kind of make it like, I don't know what video game it would be like, but do like a little token challenge every single day. Like have a little check mark box somewhere, and it's like 100-point trade is on there. So like once we hit the 100-point
can check
trade,
it.
yeah, we hit that little token, you know. And then people that are logging in, because again, a 100-point trade is a really impressive thing to do. I feel like, even if it is micros, you can size up if you want. But
We need Mark or somebody to make us or Good News or one of those guys to make us a counter that when we get in a trade, it shows how many points you're up or ticks you're up,
yeah,
and it keeps the highest tick, you know, as
Yeah.
it goes up, and then it can show you where you're at. And then-
yeah, right. Shows you the linear. Yeah, man. I know, because again, seeing is always believing. So anybody that just pops in, because average watch time, you know, let's be honest, average watch time is about 20 minutes, which I think is pretty damn cool, actually, that people hang out with us for at least 20 minutes at a time. But if you miss the 100-point trade, you might not know that we're capable of the 100-point trade. So everybody that just pops in for that quick 20 minutes and misses, the 5 hours, can actually see what successes happened that day, and then seeing is believing. I think it'll help us gain some traction. Man, beautiful stinking short though, bud. I mean, again, it's interesting kind of reworking your mind. So like old Greg started talking. I'm like, hey, look at this. We're in the long. We're going great. All this stuff is fanning up. And then I'm like, well, actually, based on this, the short's kind of looking good too. And then I look up and I see you're in a friggin' short, So I'm finally starting to see the things that you
Well,
see.
and everybody here knows, but I've been like really having to rewire my brain for short, because I would literally just sit here and wait for
The
that
long.
100-point drop,
Right.
and then try to catch it at some of my, support lines.
Yeah.
So now instead of waiting, I'm trying to jump right back in it, and it's better for. I mean, then we don't get those numbnuts coming on saying, "Or do y'all ever trade? Do y'all ever go into trade?"
Motherfuckers ever trade? Look at Sod right now. I'm trying to get blasted on some edibles right now, and all this food talk is making me get on my food delivery app. Dude, right? And how funny is that with edibles? Is obviously what a dangerous little loop that is when you're eating edibles, especially if they're tasty edibles, and then an hour and a half later they start kicking in, and then you're looking at those edibles and you're like, man, I'm real hungry. Those are really tasty, So then you eat some more edibles, and then that cycle just starts to whoopsies. Man, we had a hurricane party. Like, I don't even know now. It was like 7 years ago or something like that, where we made edibles for the hurricane party. And we made them, we just made them absurdly strong, because we don't know how to make edibles. We don't make edibles that often. So when we make edibles, it's, it's kind of like a throw it against the wall and see what sticks. And yeah, man, way too strong, which I have a very high tolerance, so I was fine, I was having a good time. But there was some friends of mine that like came up from South Florida to, weather the storm with us, that don't smoke that often. And literally this girl slept for like 3 days. It was the craziest thing I'd ever seen. Like, she'd wake up like just groggily, eat a little bit, and then pass out again because the edible just took her out. Whoopsies. All right, so now the EMAs are admittedly fanning out very, very, very nicely, though. We are kind of pushing past that resistance point now, the 480s. She kind of seems like she wants to make a run for the 540s. Man, I'm not used to Jackie hating me. Jackie, don't hate me anymore. Oh, God. I mean, at least I'm happy that these are what our fights are, Our fights are about,
Right.
Little bit of an oil spill on some ducks, It's at the end of the day, it's a good fight.
I've seen the commercial though. I mean, Don takes it right off.
That's what I said, man. That's what I said. So we got the dish soap. I got in there. Listen, when you were taking over for that 5 minutes, that's what I was doing. I had a whole bunch of dish soap. Of course, we don't have Dawn because, again, holistic. We don't have that blue stuff and chemicals, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
But the stuff we had, honestly, I was able to wipe them off really, 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 really well. They look great now. The only thing is they have a little bit, by its mouth, which I don't love, but I mean, they're doing great. They're good. They're good ducks.
Get out.
Jetty, come here. Jetty, you don't want that smoke. You don't want that smoke, bud. You stay away from there. Oh, man. So, I think I might be getting my truck back today. Either today or tomorrow.
Nice.
But right? That's kind of exciting. We're basically there. Which the funny thing was, because I have the 8.5 foot wide trailer, I jokingly was
Yeah.
like, okay, I can drive one of my cars there and tow, like, I can take the SUV, tow the trailer down because it's empty right now. And then I'll put the SUV in the trailer, and then I'll use the truck to bring them both home. You know?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Heck yeah.
Ooh, look at that spike.
Yeah.
Look at that wick. Look at that wick getting you
Oh.
excited.
I mean, kind of right there, our little blue line.
Yeah. That wickety wick getting y'all excited. Marco, we are definitely trying to break through this resistance. She is trying. She is
I know it,
definitely
Marco, and I keep
trying.
thinking it's going to get over that blue line, and I would just punch it long, but
Yeah. VIX is kind of forming a weird. VIX was forming a bear flag, but now it's kind of forming into a weird bull flag instead. That's the only thing that makes me a little bit nervous. Is I wouldn't doubt a halfway retest of this level, right? Which would
yeah,
basically put us. I could see us kind of breaking VWAP just a little bit to get people all excited, and then maybe like the 420s is our bounce, like a 424 bounce.
yeah. I mean, I think kind of 450 at the
Yeah.
least, or yeah, at the least, I guess. Kind of see it touch my pretend VWAP, kind of that 454 area is the 50,
Yeah.
which I guess if you look over on the 5 minute, all that's the 9 and the 21 and the 50 are kind of crossing over each other. So, well, here it comes.
Yep. Yeah. Touching the 21 now. 467. VIX still looking kind of strong. Man, Nvidia's pancaking though. Nvidia's volume is just shriveling up. They're not doing nothing. Well, not to say their volume's shriveling up, but their price action is. Marco, so
It,
at
yeah.
10:20 and 10:25 we had a big boner candle. Then at 10:30 they tried to do it again. We got a doji instead, supporting potentially the sell-off to then break through. Let's see if it holds. I don't know. I think we're gonna get a little bit of a larger retest, but we'll see. And 10:35 we got another doge. Yeah, 9 is starting to curl down a little bit.
What's the 1,000 tick chart saying, Mark?
Yeah! Bring up that
That's what we
1,000
need to
ticker.
know.
What's that 1,000 ticker saying? My God, honestly, when we get locked in sometimes, it's kind of fun, man. It's kind of funny too. Like it's like we're like fucking Space Command, you know? It's like I'm saying something, then you're confirming it, then like Marco's confirming it or something else. We're like, okay, all
Yeah.
systems go here, guys. All systems go. You know? I
All right.
love
Here's
it.
the 1,000 tick chart right here, guys.
So, Saad, we are closed tomorrow for religious festival. I have some long calls, please. Trump, do not F it up for me. Yeah, man. Yeah. You
I'm
never
kind
know.
of, and that's just this is like me, like literally flying to Vegas and putting it all on red. But right now, I mean, you think about it. JD Vance is flying to Iran because they want to talk to him instead of Jared Kushner and all those guys because they're ready to work this out, right?
Right.
And then you look over here, everybody's worried because we don't, our natural gas and all that. Iran's, the biggest deal, oil, natural gas, all that.
Yep.
But we're the number one guy. So why we're not using theirs, all of our companies over here have been ramping up, and their sales have been increasing and doubling and tripling
Yeah.
and stuff. But they asked JD Vance to come over there so they could work it out. So, I mean, would it not be a safe gamble to say maybe, buy a couple of calls and, spy, for a week out or something, and just
Right.
kind of something, because last time we had that move and they said the war was over, it was like a 15% or something jump, I think.
Right. Well, that's kind of one of
Would
the.
it
That's
not be
kind of.
just a?
You're gonna need to get back in there and scrub their tails and
I don't know.
They're
Alright.
still dripping oil.
So yeah, man, that's one of those things that people don't think about a lot of the times too. Is they try to pretend like they're the ones that hold the cards because like we're the ones that have the oil. Well, they're the ones that have the oil,
Yeah.
but it's like at the end of the day, we're the ones that have the demand. Like we have the demand. Do you want people to actually buy the oil that you have, or do you want just black shit that you're sitting on, kind of thing? That's useless. I mean, obviously China kind of blows through it a little bit too, but
So, Mark, yeah, I mean, on the 1 minute, I kind of want to go long right here to support, but on the 1,000 tick chart, I'd have been short at 480 right there when it touched the 50. So, does the EMAs work just as good for you on the 1,000 tick when it's not hurting you? I guess. I mean, it does kind of give you epilepsy if you're not used to it. When I was trading Forex and stuff, this looked kind of normal. So.
babe, stop hating me. It's a done deal. It's over with now.
Okay,
Who cares?
I can be mad still because you were irresponsible. You were asked to do
That
it
long
a
would have been
time ago.
beauty.
You didn't take care of it.
There's
I'm
plenty of.
allowed to be mad
Okay.
because this happened. This is horrible that this happened.
Hit the bear flags and bull flags. Well, look at that.
Look at that push. Man, so we came down to that resistance point and then springboarded right off of it, 465. I thought we'd
Yeah.
go a little bit lower, if I'm being honest.
I really don't want to jump in right there at the top. Yeah, for sure, Mark. That's what I'm watching right there. I mean, I'd like to jump in, but I mean that 490 is kind of where I wanted it on the 1,000 tick because that's kind of where we had that little doji. But
Man,
then
that's
after we broke that high right there, but
That is wild, man. Looking at that difference. Obviously, I have the 1 minute pulled up right now. So 1
oh
minute
yeah, it's
versus
like we're not
1,000
even looking
tick.
at the same thing.
Crazy. Tick chart looks very trappy right now, says Marco. Yeah, just kind of keeps slowly grinding. I mean, we slowed down a little bit. You can see that our kind of trajectory is slowing down here. Anyone tracking gold? Not really, man. I think we're kind of staying to our lane a little bit here. That just seems to be another one of those things that, yeah, I don't know. I guess I want to perfect this first before I kind of mess into another arena now. Especially like silver. My God, I'm glad I didn't get into silver. That seemed like that was a insane ride a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, I saw it. I mean, gold has been pretty crazy. I don't keep a lot of track of it. I look at it at night sometimes. Every once in a while, I'll trade it at night if I'm just, if the wife's, doing work or something after hours and I can like jump on my computer and trade. But I mean, if you could have bought it at that, I forget what the pivot point is now, but it was where there was a beautiful pivot point at like 41.25 or something. And if you could have bought it there, or if you could have shorted it from the 55s or whatever, but I wouldn't, with gold so expensive when you're buying those contracts. I mean, you
All right,
couldn't really say,
I'll be back in
okay,
a
I'm
couple
gonna
minutes.
short it at 47 and try to hold it to 45, right? Because I mean, you'd be a billionaire. Yeah, for sure, saw it for sure. Yeah, some people are done forever. All right, here's our blue line again, fellas. We didn't quite touch it last time, so maybe we get a little push through. I mean, we're not too far from the high, right? So I hate to say I could just jump in and try to ride it through the high. And then we got 525 in the way. 526 is the top of our box. For the sake of science, Mark. Yeah. Oh. I mean, we should have took it when it bounced off the 9 again, right? I mean, the 9's been good to us, especially when you look at like the 9 on the 1 minute. It's kind of really followed it. The 21, it's always held the 21. It wicked through it and popped right back up to it. So I just normally if the high wasn't there and the top of the box wasn't right there, as soon as it got over my blue line, I'd wait for it to kind of retest the blue line and show that it was going to push right through it. But I mean, if I get in right here, I mean, I could be guaranteed 10 points before it cuts me, or we could get that push and get 40 points out of it. Yeah, for real. Yeah, just a nice slow grind. And I think that's why a lot of people, especially Zero Dawn, I don't know if he's here now, but he really likes the shorts because when you look at it overall, I mean, and Big Scotty can attest to this now too. I mean, the shorts are your paydays because the longs are just nice slow grinds up, and then the shorts are just instant drops, right? So, but it sure is like we're just waiting for something. Nvidia finally broke through a nice pivot point. It's got a pretty nice wick at the bottom of its 5-minute candle, so I think it's going to push a little bit more right here.
Okay.
Yeah, there's Big Scotty, yeah.
Slow grind, don't love price action. Yeah. Fuck. Whoa. Alright, the Ducks are looking better. Poor stinking little things.
You're going to have to get up a little bit earlier to get all your chores done so we can play.
I know it. Oh my god, man. Ugh. Stinking thing. Man, honestly, it's such a mess, too, that I just haven't wanted to deal with. Because it literally is like... There's basically a... Oh. Like a Tupperware bin. Just, you know, like one of those giant Rubbermaid bins now. That has the spilling 2-gallon oil thing. So that spilled out in there. I think that even got a crack in it as well. So there's also oil underneath it, like on the garage section too. And like, man, it's just one of those things. You're gonna have to like garbage bag the whole thing up basically, and like, it's just a nasty, nasty mess. I don't want to deal with it. Obviously, I'm gonna have to deal with it now, so that's a lot of fun. We're really excited, gang. We're really excited. Well, we're up 333 on the day. It's not a terrible day so far. Back up to 51,257.
Oh,
no, we're not on X. Well, actually, I shouldn't speak for Cowboy because I don't know. But I personally am not yet. Which I guess I need to be because I want to reach out to, like Cowboy and I were talking about yesterday. We want to reach out to, like, Nutty Bar, for example. And be like, hey, Mr. Nutty, how about you hop on the show? Or vice versa. Let us on your show. Let's hang out.
Yeah.
Let's commingle our shows for a sec, you know?
Yeah, for real.
But also for like the Trump tweets and stuff like that, I feel like I should be on it just for that alone, you know? Just have a designated blotter that's like right above my computer screen that's always just showing me like Trump tweets right away.
Hey, Scotty, are you both on X? Yeah, you can find me at, I don't know if you can just type in the Trading Cowboy or Trading Cowboy 14.
Wow, look
So
at
you
you,
just type in
sir.
Trading Cowboy 14.
Yeah. Do you actually like utilize it? Do you post X's?
No.
No.
But I'm on there.
No, but I got it.
It's in the works, guys. It's in the works, okay?
Right.
You don't know how
right.
hard it is to, like, finally, like, brand something, you know? I mean,
Right. Lewis just gave the sir a follow. Thank you. Man, Nvidia is starting to push now. Popped above its box pretty darn good. Went up to a 50% of its ORB so far. VIX is sinking down to the bottom of its ORB. ES has popped into the bottom. Oh my god, I can't remember. It's like top and bottom and top and bottom and top and bottom. It's looking good. Let me see. Now I gotta fill the tub back up for the stinking ducks. Hello, duckies. Are you feeling better? You're looking a lot better. You're smelling a lot better.
I don't like that number, Mark, but yeah, on TradingView 6666 is the pivot point that it just rejected off of again. Kind of the third, fourth, fifth time here on a 15-minute. I'm right here, Sod. What do you mean, where am I at? I'm in Texas, if you didn't know. Last three 15-minute candles all have top wicks on them. Yeah, and they keep getting higher on ES too. Everything wants to push. This last 5-minute rejected off the 504. And it just, I don't know. It seems like we're just slowing down. I mean, we're almost 3 minutes into this 5-minute candle and there's just no volume.
Okay. Anything exciting happened
DFW
yet?
Airport. So I'm in the panhandle of Texas. So the DFW Airport's like 6 hours from me, or like maybe 5 hours from me. So I could be in New Mexico, Colorado, Oklahoma, all those within about an hour and a half, hour and a half. Um, but if I want to drive like to Houston or something, it's 12 hours. So
Nice. Man, so we've just been consolidating for the last almost hour now. Last 45 minutes, kind of. Yeah, man, that always blows. Whenever we have our, like, we have some friends from like Australia that come hang out with us and stuff like that, and they're always blown away by like the size of America. Um, that you can't just drive from like one end to the other in like 6 hours like you can in some countries, you know.
yeah,
It is quite large. So here we go. Finally retesting. Finally doing something. Sneaking down to the 50. Back down to the 480s so far. We have our pivot point again down here at the 664s. 464s. Nvidia had a little bit of a drop there. This is our 11 o'clock candle right now. 15 seconds into it. Looking at the 1 hour though, we obviously have a long way to go down. Right now we don't have any bottom wick on this 1 hour candle. We're putting one on right now though. But still, look at that. Oh, this is the 9. This is the 9 EMA down here. All the way down here at 443. Shorts are still shorting. Almost to the 464 pivot point. We still haven't broken out of the top of our box yet. We broke out of the bottom. We came to the midpoint. Came to the 3/4 point. Had a rejection. Nvidia is still looking real stinking weak. We're kind of forming an ugly bull flag though.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I mean, I don't hate it right there, but. Just don't like that the 9 and 21's kind of crossed over now.
Yep.
It'd be nice to get back above those. Because what did we want a while ago? I think I said the lowest would be 450 pullback, and you were 420 maybe, or.
Yeah, that's what we were talking about. Was
We
that
need-
4?
We kind of need one of those, I think, to keep going up. But.
Yeah. $11.03. Starting to get a little strength, but still just kind of wicking. Ooh.
Nice pop. Are you still in long, Mark? Oh, what do we do?
I know, right? It's kind of in slight no man's land almost, right? It would make sense for us to, it would make sense for this to be the bottoming and we're going to shoot and break up. It also makes sense that this could fail and we could have a pretty good little flush down.
Yeah. I mean, look,
Mark
it's
says,
so
no,
far-
it took me 5 minutes to get 10 points. Yeah, dude, right now the average candle range is 17, man. I kind of agree with you. It's kind of boring. It's a little bit boring. Let me check on these duckies so I don't get yelled at. Hi, duckies. How's the temperature? Oh, that's a good temperature. Poor stinking ducks. Well, I don't know, man. It's kind of boring. I mean, I'll give it, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, couple more minutes to see how it goes.
I mean, look how slow the 1 minute candles are. I mean,
Right.
and then you look at the 5 minute candle and you almost want to fall asleep.
Yeah. I know it, man. And I definitely don't want to get chopped up. We've had a nice little morning so far,
Yeah, see, now the 1,000 tick chart looks like a normal.
Marco's saying longs might look good. Odds are probably closer to 50-50 than 70-30, he's saying.
I like that it just went through that 65 mark and kind of popped right back up over it. Just have in my head, we got to at least touch 450. I mean, maybe 452 if I'm being like real precise.
Well, yeah, look over at the 1 minute. The 1 minute is starting to break its little support section. Just for a sec, though. Just kind of wicking it. So, VWAP, obviously, 442. Marco shorted the last red candle. I don't hate that. I could see it coming down like we're talking about 440s. You think you'd be safe for 20 points at the very least. VIX is still going up. There we go, Mark. There we go, bud.
Nice. Yeah.
Which again might almost be this might be the start to a good long position.
Right.
It's too early right now, but here we go, 437. 426. That's what we want to see the reaction at 426. Here's a brand new 1 minute. VIX is at the top of its box now. Mark thinks this is the start of a bear flag setup. Nvidia's falling. Though Nvidia now has 3 candles that don't have upper wicks. Not that I've really paid attention to Nvidia's wick structure like that, but just a curiosity. Man, that's so bizarre seeing that 1,000 tick chart. It's so bizarre.
It makes you want to jump in, doesn't it?
Oh my God, it does, right? Because this is the 1 minute again. We're showing the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 1,000 tick right now on that screen. That's crazy.
And that's
to
what
see.
this is. I mean, this is perfect for what Mark's talking about. Is that nice bear flag form that you see here that you don't see on the 1 and the 5, right?
Wow, crazy. Wow, yeah, look at that. Really interesting, right?
I mean, are we gonna try to grab this thing in a second? Or?
So here's kind of the level. Here's the 420s right here.
Order filled.
I think I'm gonna start playing.
Wow, look at that right away.
I don't know if I can play this 1,000.
Uh-oh. Down to the
Put my phone
414s
down.
now. Wow, good reaction up though.
Like I'm having a seizure.
Yeah, bud. Crazy.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna have to tone this down a little bit.
Kind of dancing around the 417s here.
Order filled.
There we go.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Kept that one a little tighter. Kept that one a little bit tighter. Ooh, good wicks pointing up though. I like that. Just barely broke below the 200. Down here to 390s.
Maybe headed for our pivot point.
Yeah.
361-ish.
Wow, yeah. Strong continuation.
Order filled.
Where are you going to lunch? Oh, with Kristen. Yeah. She's still feeling good, obviously. Where are you guys gonna go? Come on, give us the push. 7 seconds left. Then hopefully a little 5-minute push here. Come on. Down here to 385s. Oh, you flattened it.
No, I didn't. I don't know what happened. My computer just totally glitched.
Oh, shoot,
Let me
man.
see, I think I'm still in. Oh, that's not good.
Just careful of your screen, yeah.
Yeah. Still in, guys, I think. I think I'm still losing my butt. Hold on.
Well, here's our new 5.
There it is. Yeah, I don't know. It just said connection lost.
Weird. Yeah, it's not looking great, though. Come on. Give us the push. Starting to push. 10 seconds left of this candle. Got a engulfing now, finally.
You got me excited. I looked up and I was still losing.
Yeah. Friggin' close, though, man. Come on. Nope, breaking. Yep, breaking. Shit. Trying to put a wick on this candle right now, which it would do right here. This might be a turnaround point. Oof.
Order filled.
Alright, we're out.
Shit.
What a drop. I hope, Mark, you still got that short all the way down there.
Yeah, bud. What a stinking drop. Shit. No. Fuck.
Order filled.
Fuck, fuck, fuck. Dang. Yeah, how disappointing. Yeah. Well, still up
Wait.
100, still up 105 on the day. L Jones, but yeah, that one stung a little bit. Man, Marco, nice, bud. 40 point short. Shoot, dude. Yeah, VIX just spiked up like crazy, too.
Yeah.
ES just fell off a stinking cliff there. ES is down at its pivot point now. We just fell off a cliff. Wow. Shoot, man. Shoot. Man, that was just an annoying amount of like waiting and waiting and waiting with the tiniest little stinking candles ever.
Yeah. It really
And-
was.
And then just for it to friggin' flush and kaboom us. So we're kind of bouncing off that pivot point down there at 298. Huh. Dope logo, cowboy, says Sod. I know, that super stinking cool, man. Well, shoot, we're getting a nice little push back up right now.
Let's see if I can pull it up. Do a little free advertisement on Greg. Unless he mutes my screen.
know what to do. You just have to hope that they pass through it. Man, it looks like it's gonna keep pushing here. I'm almost tempted.
Oh yeah, it'll make you sick. You know, I was down $1,300 on one of my funded.
Yeah.
So I caught the bottom at 290, went 3 minis deep, sold it at 310 to get back up to even. I'm a hair over now, but
Right.
it just scared me to go in that deep and keep riding. But
I know it. Seeing if we
so I'm
can't.
glad I was over. I'm glad I was on this side blowing an eval, waiting for it to drop all the way so I could catch it with my funded.
So you can catch it, yeah, in the funded instead. Well, I'm seeing if I can't come up to the top of the shoulder real quick. What time even is it? 11:21. Come on. The 9's trying to curl up. Come on, keep pushing. Come on. What do you think? It should, right? It feels like it should. There's this
I
kind
mean,
of.
we should go up. I mean, we should come see this 380 area.
Yeah.
That's kind of the bottom of that wick, the top of this shoulder, and the 21.
Come on, keep going.
Nice. Does anybody knows where Greg stops at?
What's that?
I said, did anybody knows where Greg's stop is?
Where my stop is right now? I know, right, dude. It's making me nervous as shit. I honestly almost just dropped one. I literally almost just dropped one.
I don't blame you at all.
Dude, especially after that drop now too. I'm a little gun shy. You know, we're back to being okay on the day. Yeah, I'm gonna drop one.
Stop
Yeah.
field.
I mean, it's working out too. It's silly of me to do probably, but oh, it just makes me nervous after that drop.
Yeah, I saw it. Check. I don't know if anybody's a golfer here.
There it is.
Check out these golf towels we've been working on.
Ready to party! Yo, look at this guy. You're gonna do a golf event?
Yeah, we got some coming up, and then we just got a lot of golfers that's kind of in our group here, so
Uh-huh.
just trying to ride that market. So,
Dude, so cool. Fuck me, man. Look at this. Look at that candle.
yeah.
You know? Look at that. That was the candle.
Yep,
Got out early.
that was the one you wanted.
Yup.
And that's kind of those bummer trades, right? Where you might okay, do I, go ahead and take this and be, real up for the day,
Right.
or do I set it at break even and risk 20 points and see if I can get that push? Or
Yeah.
I mean, think about it. I got out at 310,
Right. Right.
3 minis.
Yeah.
What a douchebag.
Yeah. What an idiot, you know?
Yeah,
Son of a bitch.
just because I was even,
Right.
Which, don't get me wrong, that was good, but I guarantee you, the performance on that one, well, it's not terrible. Let me roll it over there.
Yeah, that's pretty darn good, man.
22% loss, but
Oh, big.
That loss was
Yeah.
$1,365.
Whew.
But I got it back up, and we're up 100. Well, we're up 77 for the day. We've
'Cause
already
of
paid
the, yeah.
63 in commission.
Crazy, dude. Crazy.
But if I would have rode that thing right there, I could have bought a nice enclosed trailer to match Greg's.
Yeah, right. I know. I haven't even shown the people my trailer yet.
Because in this partnership, when one partner gets one, the other one gets one.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
right?
telling my wife anyway.
Hell yeah. Trailers on
She's
trailers.
probably
Look at that.
listening.
Look at that big old beautiful trailer.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Actually, this is the funny thing. Here's the kids getting all jazzed up. Hold on, taking a sec to pop it open. Then the kid like goes flying in it. It's pretty funny.
Beth obviously needs to be scrubbed, so I wouldn't take a shower.
Look at that. Yeah, dude. Fun day. Fun day. Alright, now let's see if we can make some stinking monies. Look at that 1 hour candle wick. Crazy stinking wick. So, was that our short for us to just friggin' rip up now with the longs? We retested the 380s. I like that 380 retest. That's looking okay. Forming a nice little bull flag now. On the 5 minute though, we do still have a little bit to come down and retest. We might want to come down to the 317s quick or something, but
There's a little safety tidbit on those trailers too, Greg. Whenever you lift that door, grab the door and not the cable.
yeah,
You grab that cable, you know, those are garage door springs. We fix those all the time here.
yeah.
Put new springs and stuff on, but we've had more than 2 guys here lose fingers
Yipes,
because
dude.
they grab that cable and lift it,
Yeah.
and that cable breaks or it pulls loose from the door, and that cable just slices through your hand, and it just takes your fingers plumb off.
Oh, dude, I couldn't even imagine.
I always tell everybody, and you know, we've done it for years, right?
Yeah.
I mean, our trailers, but
Yeah.
we tell everybody now after seeing after fixing doors with bloody, blood everywhere, we tell them, man, just grab the door instead of the cable.
Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Yeah. Great
Go
reminder.
ahead and bend over.
Great reminder, man.
Yeah.
Ugh. Yeah, I've seen those like on battleships too, where like the cable snaps and stuff like that. And it's like,
Oh yeah.
man. So our
Well, it's
9 is
insane.
trying to
I don't
cross.
remember the number now, but there's a crazy amount of numbers of people that lose their fingers every year with their garage doors.
Yeah. Yeah.
We had a lady here that their opener quit, just the opener. So she, her husband told her would just release the safety and then lift the door. Well, she lifted the door and it shot up on her because the springs were a little too hot.
Yeah.
So it really raised fast and it caught her ring. And
Oh.
she had little bitty fingers and it just pulled her finger off.
Oh.
The ring just pulled her finger off right at the joint.
Yeah. Oh. Man, that would suck so much too, you know? That would just be such a quick pop. Like, what? Oh.
Yep. And she plays
Ugh.
the piano. So I think every now and then when you listen to her, she misses a note or two, but
Yeah.
can't really tell.
There was a guy at an equestrian center that was missing a finger, and he actually was feeding a horse a carrot and literally held the carrot out with it, and his finger was just a little bit too far with the carrot, and the horse literally chomped his finger with the carrot at the same time, and then he just saw like the horse just happily munching away while his fucking like fingers just like crunch, crunch, and then gone, So it's like there was nothing for him to grab and reattach, like
Yeah.
Ugh.
Oh.
Yeah, nuts, man. Crazy.
Yeah, Mark. The spring broke in the garage door. I heard a super loud pop. Yeah, you'd be surprised that we go to houses because garage doors are our business. But
Yeah.
you go to a house and like, man, 2 o'clock in the morning, we heard a gunshot. We jumped up. I ran outside. Nobody was there.
Yeah.
We walked all around, and then the next morning, My garage door wouldn't open. And we realized
Yeah.
it was a spring. I lost 2 hours of sleep.
Jesus, man. Yeah.
The good part is most of the time the springs break when the door's down because that's when they're under tension. So
Yeah.
you don't have to really worry about that door falling on you.
Right. Nice, man. You try to open that garage door and it's so heavy. Yeah, the house that we just did the pantry on had the side garage door lifts instead of like the overhead
Oh,
system. Yeah, it was the nice side
Yeah.
system right next to the.
Yeah, the jack shaft.
Yeah, it was really nice. And then it was like instead of chain driven, it was like belt driven. You know, so it was nice and quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a nice system. Hydro, will it reject that gold line? Is that point of control? The
I
gold
wish
line
it
is
would,
VWAP.
Hydro, because I got out 120 points ago.
So,
oh my God.
so L Jones, you guys have a set amount of trades before you call it a day. Currently on trade 8 and only up 150. No, I mean, because same thing with me right now. I'm only up 140. You know, I was up 350 at one point. Let's see how many trades I've taken. But I'm doing micros as well, so it's gonna be. Hold on, it's not working. Oh, you stupid thing. Yeah, I have no idea. I'm probably same thing. I just kind of make sure I don't get tilty, you know, like it was slowing down so hard earlier, so I almost called it a day earlier because, you know, again, I was up 350. I'm happy with it. It's a good enough day. It's slowing down. Nothing's happening. That's honestly a good time to call it a day. Then this drop happened, you know, and it took out half my profits. So now it's like, now you got to decide, are we going to get momentum and now we're actually going to start getting good candles, or are we going to go back into just a continual slow grind in one direction versus the other? So do you want to sit here for another 3 hours and not make trades?
Yeah.
So it's more like that. If there's momentum, we'll keep trading. If there's momentum, we'll keep trading. If we're red, we'll definitely keep trading. If we're green and happy, we'll probably slow down the trades, but you never know. Just got myself my first Lucid, says Lewis. Hopefully we can get those affiliate codes sooner than later for you, sir.
Yeah, no joke.
Yeah, I'm
Gotta
on
get the
micros. Passed my
videos
first
out this
eval, then
week.
traded the PA like shit. So been slowly building it back up. Yeah. Yep. Man, I hate when this thing doesn't work. There we go. So I'm at 15 trades. There you go. I have more trades than you. Which again, it's micros. So you're kind of like averaging in. You know, you're adding in as you go.
Did you decide
Yeah.
to take my car or your car?
I'll take my car today, and if I just happen to leave it behind, I'll happen to leave it behind, and then maybe I'll. Oh, but yeah, eventually that's gonna screw things up. No, I guess I'll take mine. I know. I do think I'm gonna drive it home today, though. Maybe. I don't know.
Let me just. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll just eventually have to both go or something.
Okay, ducks are in their bin in the garage. The oil has been barricaded so that they cannot have access to it because they will jump out again.
Yeah,
I'm
I
obviously
agree.
taking my clicker with me,
Oh, okay.
so you'll need to close it from the inside of the garage
Yeah.
and run out.
Yeah. Love you. Do you want to stop hating me?
Want to start being responsible?
Babe, I have so many people on live right now that are very nervous about this altercation.
I've literally done nothing to you.
That's the problem.
What do you
He's
mean it's
scared
a
enough he's
problem?
not muting it either. So.
Yeah, they can see the tension.
Mute it, Greg.
They've heard you stomping back and forth. No, I
dare
need. Right now, listen. Right now, we need witnesses. She can't yell if I'm in front of my friends.
Oh yes, I can. Are you gonna be responsible?
Are you what? I don't know what to do with it.
Then you need to be an adult and figure it out.
Oh, we're gonna have to buy oil pads. So Trading Cowboy has way more oil than I have at his house. It's just a thing. People have oil in their
Trading
garage.
Cowboy, do you leave it out in an uncovered compartment where you have baby ducks living not 20 feet nearby?
The horses are nearby.
No, I mean, it's in a fenced area all by itself. Kind of
Oh,
has
in
a
a
fence around it.
responsible area.
Yeah, but there's
Like a
definitely
Sorry, Greg.
responsible adult.
Sorry, Greg.
there's definitely days though where they take the oil out and the oil's in the collection pan and it's been in the collection pan for maybe a couple days and they forget about it. There's been those those days have happened.
Let's see. Except
Yeah,
Cowboy
and
doesn't have
they won't
ducks
let me have
covered in
ducks because of
like
the oil.
Greg. Well, Greg's gonna learn from this, and he's gonna do better next time.
Oh goddamn.
When you know better, you
Right.
do better.
I'm losing connection with you, Greg.
Yeah, right.
I'm going to lunch to enjoy myself.
Love you.
Make sure everything is kosher when you leave.
Oh my god.
Love you. My glasses.
We all just got beat up over here.
I did not even touch you.
She's wielding a knife while she's saying that, guys. Just saying.
Oh yeah. Hey, come on, we're going to bed. Or we're going to lunch.
Greg in trouble. I know, man. I mean, it does suck. You know, admittedly, I agree with her. It sucks. Because the ducks did drink. You know, the ducks were drinking oil, which is not good. And then they're pooping out oil right now, which is not good because that means they ingested a lot of oil, which is not good. And there's also transmission fluid in there too. And you know, transmission fluid has that like specific like just stank smell that's beyond oil. So now they got that like real transmission fluid smell. Someone's going to call Pete on you. I didn't think about that. We got to delete this stream.
Yeah, sorry guys, we can't show any of those 100-point trades.
It was an accident, Peter. It was an accident. Actually, you know what's crazy? Here's a wild story for you. I have a random friend. We're not going to name names. But he just moved to Florida. And of course, when you're in Florida, you go to the beaches right away. He went to the beach right away. Literally like the first or second time he's ever went to the beach, he saw a bunch of baby turtles hatching all over the place, right? And there were seagulls everywhere eating all the baby turtles and stuff like that. So he felt bad. He picked up one of the baby turtles and he was like, you know what? I'm going to rescue you. But I want you to come home and see my kids first. So he unfortunately drove this baby sea turtle from the beach all the way to Orlando, you know, like middle of the state here, as we're friggin', look at this, as we're just dropping like a friggin' rock. Had it in there, posted a picture of it, and not PETA, but literally like the wildlife, whatever, you know, Fish and Wildlife, knocked on their door the next day and was like, do you have a baby sea turtle in here? And he's like, no. He's like, no, I took a picture of it, then I put it back. You know, they're like, it's illegal, you can't touch them, they're protected, never friggin' do this again, don't touch it. Which he actually still had it in his bathtub in his friggin' house. So then, you know, grabbed the sea turtle and, you know, drove it back to the beach and then released it into the water. But he's like, man, all these sea turtles were getting eaten, so at least this one, like, made it to the water. And I'm like, well, you might have screwed up his trajectory a little. But I mean, I get it, though, especially when you first come here and stuff like that. You get all excited, you're young, you don't think about stuff like that. You know, he definitely wouldn't do it now, as a Floridian now. It was me. That story was up. It was about me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You're gonna get swatted today now for sure.
Yeah, literally. Right.
First
Peter.
the turtle, now the ducks.
Yeah, I know it. Oh my god. Take all of his animals away. Save the goats while we still can. Bro, this is escalating, says Sod. Shoot, man, we kind of missed a little bit of a drop there. I would love to get one or two more kind of good, juicy trades out of it, but candles are trickling down a little. What are we feeling, guys? Long or short? What are we thinking?
I mean, I kind of want to see it come up here and touch the 9 and 21. They crossed over and kind of see if it rejects, honestly. But
Yeah.
But maybe this is the little inversion. You know, if we're looking at it for the long side, you could have bought it down here at 76 to 80 and rode it up to 400 probably. So.
Yep. Jones is saying short it to 0. It's plummeting. YOLO the full short. Full send short.
And Jones, I don't know if you were here when we talked about it earlier, but up at the top, Greg pinned it at the top. That's our Discord. If you want to jump in there, you can click become a member for free. Become one of us. We're just getting it started, so
Hell yeah.
jump in there. You can put your wins and losses in there. We got a cemetery for blown accounts and evals.
Yep.
So come join us in there.
Short is still short in 365. Shoot, so I guess we might be coming down to retest that 316 level potentially. Which, do we short to the 316 or do we wait to the 316 and then long?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, Jones. Will do. First time on the stream. Only just started trading NQ. Been trading crypto for a while. Well, good sir, you've made it to a phenomenal stream where you'll have a heck of a lot of fun. Plus, we actually do show a decent amount of evals being passed on this thing. Once in a while, Mr. Trading Cowboy will show you his funded as well, which is always killing it. Marco, these two green candles with the wicks. Yeah. These two green candles with the wicks were bearish, says Marco. So we're still looking down. Still pointing down. Big old stop, though. If you go short, your stop has to be 446. But I kind of agree with you. I think that we're going to go down before we go up.
Well, and it's the 1122 candle. I think I'm saying the right time for you guys, but there was no wick on that candle, so we're coming right to it right now. So.
Yep.
I kind of thought it would wick through it a little bit, but it just bounced right at it. Maybe we'll get a little wick.
Marco's saying we rejected 15-minute orb and VWAP. I mean, we are pretty far down now. It looks like we're kind of going back to that 100% range at the 325s.
I'm gonna try a little small right there, just see if we can get a little pump.
Ooh.
Nothing major. Nothing major, guys. Don't follow me. This isn't financial advice.
Little pop. See if we can't get a little popzilla. Ooh, nice
One
push.
off right there.
Nice push.
Got two left. Looking for 370 for one more maybe.
Fuck, there
There's
it
that.
is. Boom. Beautifully done.
Trail it. Now the other one's just trailing. If it gets hit at the same exit. All right,
Nice.
we're out.
Nice, bud. Nice trade.
So
Shoot,
109
man.
bucks a little trade.
I was just about to follow that one too, and I decided not to.
I feel like if I tell you not to follow me, I really don't want you to because I'm not really sure about it. But I
But
feel
those
like
are the ones that, yeah. I feel like those are the ones that always end up popping real nice for you. And those are always like the quick, clean ones too. Oh, it sounded like it was pouring out. Any idea how to partially close a position on TradingView? Ooh, Cowboy, do you know that one? I only use Trade-O-Vate.
I mean, if you have, I don't have it pulled up on my trading view. Where is? Let me go. Hold on. I mean, if you have your regular box on the right side that has like your buy and sell, you can change the contract. Like if you have 2 or 3, you can change it to 1. and then you can set an exit there, kind of like we do on TradingView. The only thing I have on mine right now, though, is just the buy button and sell button at the top. So that doesn't do any good. It won't even pull up over here. That doesn't do any good either. But you should be able to just change your contract on the contract side of it. And also, if you right click it, I think. Yeah, if you go to the price like you want to sell one at and you right click it, you can go down and do sell or buy and enter the number. It'll actually show you, like, if you have 3, it'll give you the option to like sell 1, 2, or 3 in queue at that limit or that stop, whichever one you're trying to do.
Forming a teeny tiny little bull flag here. Looking still a little weak.
If I had that, I don't use it to trade on anymore because it was like you're trading. You would log into TradingView and it would have to go through, your prop firm, and it was a little delayed, and so I quit trading using it. I love their charts, but so I used to have the buy and sell box on that right side, but now all I have is up in the top.
So, of course, Jones, if you haven't yet, we would obviously always love if you'd like to like and subscribe. And not only to this stream, but then also the Trading Cowboy at the Trading Cowboy is exploding on his channel as well. So if you could please pop over there. Generally speaking, we end the stream around afternoon time, and then we'll pop over to Cowboy and keep rocking and rolling and keep killing it over there as well.
We've got 2 more so far, Greg. We're at 337 now.
Shoo! Look at that. Look at that. Look at this bull flag teasing me, man. I hate that I just missed that trade with you. This salivating to get in another one. Big old bullish engulfing candle here. Jones is using a third-party software so it can trade multiple accounts at the same time, but there's a delay. However, it actually makes me money so far. I'm usually trailing tight so the wicks get sold later. Wow, nice, man. Hey, thank you. We appreciate that. Hydro saying if it breaks that level, scalp that short.
Yeah,
the
for sure. I mean,
347s here.
Kind of making a little minute, cup and handle right here, but
Yeah.
But yeah, if we can get that break below 347, then I think we're surely going down to 310. There's the pop.
Pushing a little bit. Back up to our 50% of orb. No bottom wick on this 5-minute candle now. That would bring us back down to the 363s. So we should be able to get 10 points down, you would think.
Yeah, the 9 kind of grabbed it right there. So I mean, I loved the short until that 9 kind of made it bounce back up to the 21.
Yeah, I know. I'm a little bit premature here.
I want to see. I think if it just would barely wick above this wick and then pull back, that would be super nice for a short. Oh, it's not going to give me 1 more point, 2 more points.
Hey, morning, Danielle. How we doing today?
Howdy, howdy.
Good to see yous.
It can't even break that area right there at all, can it?
What time is it? It's 11:52 right now. There we go. We got to kind of break the 9 here, though. Come on, break the 9, then break the 63. Come on. Come on. Nice. Oh, it hates me. I hate putting stops out now, actually. There we go.
Stop filled.
Well, got some points out of her.
Yeah.
Mark has been kicking my butt these past 2 weeks. Danielle, it's been such a weird market. Even today, you know, we were doing okay, but then during that consolidation phase, it was consolidating for so long that finally made the move, and yeah, the move wiped us out a little bit as well. I agree. It's been a tough one. Is this going to be a W recovery? Boom, boom, boom. A little lower and then pop up.
Yeah, it's kind of playing out like that.
Oh, God.
I don't know what 21 was so fast.
I don't know what I'm going to do with this stinking oil now.
You better figure something out.
Fuck me, man. Yeah. Oh. And obviously it's illegal to just throw out oil, isn't it? You can't just throw it out. You have to... Yeah.
Now that you said it on stream, yes, Greg, it is very illegal.
I know, it's highly. Which makes sense, because obviously you don't want it to like go into just the water and stuff like that. I wonder how they do.
I mean, I think AutoZone will take it for free though. So.
Yeah, I think they do too. I think I just gotta somehow bundle it up again, make it look real pretty, and then say, "Hey guys, buddy old pals."
Yeah.
Which is coincidental because again, the truck has taken so long to like clean it and stuff, because I think that's literally what the guy did is he changed somebody's oil, then like put the container in the truck, and then it just somehow spilled or exploded everywhere, and he got oil on everything. It was soaked into both seats, the center seat, the back seat. It was crazy. It was a lot of oil. My God, what have you been doing with all the stinking oil? Son of a bitch, man. Ugh. And the market's slowed down so much now too, you know. I want to make that money back now, but it's like it's really friggin' slowed down now. Except for these random these random kabooms.
Yeah. Maybe we should have bought that.
The expensive Lux Algo suite says that we should be in a short right now. Oh shit. As it actually starts working out.
Look at that.
All right, Lux Algo. Well, it worked out for a sec. Man, look at these. Look at the last 3 5-minute candles now, this one included. They're just starting to look just real wicky. Not too many bodies.
that 380 area on a 15 is the 200 EMA. And right below that is our 50% below the box. So that's what we're kind of fighting right now.
Yeah.
I want to see us go touch 400 and see if we get a rejection, I guess. That's kind of,
Yeah.
this 50 may just reject it right here. But
Well,
yeah,
plus
look at that.
417, you know, we have the 200. So that'll give us resistance points. Obviously, 426 is the bottom of orb. Then we have VWAP. So there's a lot of stuff that could give us some resistance right above the 400s.
What do we do, guys? Somebody say something.
Right?
Somebody get this trade.
I mean, we're almost hitting this, you know, downtrend line that we've hit a couple times. Yeah, like you're right. It's right at the 400. You know, that would be our bunker head point. Yeah, Sod is thinking short. I'm thinking short.
Oh,
But I agree. I would love to do one at the 400s, do one
Oh.
at the 420s, and then if I have to, do one at the 440s, and then hope it doesn't go beyond that.
I was hoping y'all were going to say long because that shelf at 375. All right, my hands are behind my head. I'm not going to long it.
Well, no, man, you're the one that's always right. If we should long, let's long. I'm hoping for a long to hit 100 to 420.
Oh, okay, I'm almost back in, Mark. Keep talking.
Yeah, Mark's in a long. The 9 is crossing the 21, so that supports a long.
You know, it's a little early, but the 9 and 21 is trying to cross back over.
Yeah.
I mean, look how volatile it gets at that 375 when it hits it.
Right.
I mean, it forces it right back up. But going classic YouTube style, guys. If this doesn't pop right here, we're going to go back down.
Right. Marco is looking for that 100-pointer. Perfect rejection from the fib, though, says Jones. Uh-oh. We got a lot of conflicting information. I mean, and just look at the 5-minute chart. You know, you can tell from the 5-minute. That's just, it's a hard read right now. It's a very hard read.
All right, I'm gonna try long right here. I want it to wick down below the 69, honestly, but
Yeah, to give it some strength.
yeah, but I'm gonna just start small. All right, there's my wick. Let's see if it pushes now. If it pumps back up above the 75, we'll be good. If not, we'll still be okay, chat.
There'd be our little support line right there that we're bouncing from. 1 minute, Sod. The 1 minute time frame. This is the 5, though. This one's the 5. Otherwise, we're trading on the 1. Actually,
that
Kyle
wasn't
might be on
good.
the 1.
that pop up wasn't exactly what I wanted to see. I mean, it could have got you excited for a minute, but I don't want to see it just drop now.
Yeah.
I want to see us come up over here,
Stop
take
filled.
out a couple right
Stop
there.
filled.
Took me out. But
Well,
that was a good wick, though, man. I can't hate that. We're up
yeah,
190 on the day now. Not a bad trade. Didn't get everything out of it, but we got something out of it, and she was
yeah.
good.
We can get a little. See
There
that
we go.
75 still holding.
There you
Come on,
go,
take it.
bud.
Take it out right there. Come on.
There you go. Nice, man. Nice. Real nice.
Push.
ES is looking real strong.
Oh my god. Couldn't
Oh,
do it.
dude. This volatility, though, is weird, man.
Yeah.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Yeah, I'm trying to just be safe now. Two seconds left of this candle.
I don't like that our EMAs are pointing almost straight down now, but
Yeah, separating just a little.
I'm still digging the wicks, so we are getting a lot of pressure to the downside. Nvidia doesn't look good.
VIX is right at its 200 though. Yeah, Nvidia is looking just a little bit weak, admittedly.
ES is close to the 200, so just depends on if it can hold on right here, honestly.
Ooh, look at that, bud. That's about to work out for you.
That's a nice wick. Let's see how it plays.
Come on. Got 20 seconds left of this 5 minute.
That's terrible. That 9, I mean, if you're short, good job. That 9's really holding for you right now.
Come on.
Slowly
Push
starting
up.
to stair step. So.
Come on.
Come on.
We have our 100 point right here at 325. We have 100 points, so that could be a bounce. There you go. That's a good wick. That's a real good wick. Five seconds left.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Come on. Come on. Eight seconds. There we go. Come on.
Stop
Man, I
filled.
just can't fucking hold it. 196. Shoot, man. Hell yeah, buddy. There you go.
Getting a little bit.
There we go. All right, bud.
Keep pushing. Come on.
Nice.
Don't do that. Oh,
Come on. Hydro. I know. Look at this man. Look at this man getting his money's back. That fat old green.
crazy.
Yeah, it's kind of weird though. It is. It's going really. Just been a wicked.
The only thing that's kind of keeping me in is where my entry that I'm at right now is just kind of holding as a support. So,
Yeah.
and then as they sell off, it'll just get better and better for me.
Yeah. Nice, bud. Real nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, you're getting a good push now. 10 seconds left of this 5-minute. Nice.
Come on.
Come on. Oh,
Yeah.
come on. Dude, right? What a crazy day. Stack Z, Cowboy cracking the whip on the market. Agreed.
It's a little crazy. We probably should have just got out up there at the top for about 30 points.
Never doubt me, Lewis. Short my way to the bank, he says.
Heck yeah.
You never doubted me, by the way, he says.
Yeah, we never doubted you, Big Scotty.
We never doubted you, sir. But it felt like a movie. Man, well, I mean, what are you up today then? You're up probably like 3,000 now or something. Shoot, this 5-minute candle doesn't have
740
a
on
wick.
boosted. Heck yeah.
This 5-minute candle doesn't have an upper wick on it for you now, bud. That makes you feel good. That'll bring us back up to the 363s.
Big Scotty, I'm up like 1,800 on Lucid, but I lost 1,300 before I got up 1,800. So I'm only up like 545 today.
Stop filled.
Well, we finally broke 200 again. We're up 201, but I'm slowing down. I think that's about it for me. Oh, wait, no, you're still in it. As soon as you go flat,
Whatever, guys.
then we'll give it a go.
Oh yeah, Scotty, I was down 1355 on one of my funded kind of right off the bat this morning, so we had to whittle that thing back up. So.
Lewis says I'd take $1 over any loss. Yeah, bud.
It comes back down here. We're out.
Let's go, says Miguel, the biggest and the largest. He doesn't say that to just anybody.
just everybody.
Just everybody. We
The
are
takeover,
taking
that's
over,
right.
sir. We are taking. We're stampeding, right? We have to start getting cowboy lingo. We're stampeding.
Heck yeah, Lewis. 4.3, 4,300 bucks. Nice.
Yeah, bud. Very nice.
All right, I'm flat now. Yeah, I'm only up 545 times 4 accounts. So. But I was down 1,300 times 4 accounts before that. So.
Damn, bud. Damn. Not friggin' bad. We are up 201 on the day. We were up 350 at one point, and then that short just kind of snuck us right there. Kaboom.
Yeah.
So now we're just in consolidation mess again. So we're choosing to walk away green. Make sure, please, if you had some fun today, to like and subscribe. It means the world to us. Eventually, when we can get these things big enough, we can start making it rain all those lovely free accounts because the prop firms will take notice of us. Please make sure to also like and subscribe at The Trading Cowboy. He will be signing back on for the afternoon session in just a second here. But
Yeah,
make
just
sure.
about 10 minutes.
Yeah. Man, I was just friggin' ramble at the end. But that's it, gang. We love you to death. Yeah, pop on over. And, yeah, today has been a good day.
Yeah,
and a
we'll see
green
how
day.
y'all
I'm
here in a little
happy.
bit.
Nice.
Stag Z, Lewis, Miguel.
Yep, Miguel, Lewis. And actually, Stag, yeah, exactly. All you new guys, too. We really appreciate Jones, Stag Z coming in. Obviously, all OGs, Danielle, Marco, Sod. You know, we've said basically everybody now. Charles, Isaiah, Lewis, friggin' H-Town, everybody. Driving Obsession. Love you guys all to death. All right, stay green.
Yeah.
We'll see you bright and early, 9:25 tomorrow morning. Hopefully there's not a BP oil spill on the ducks, so we can actually be here on time. And that's
Jones, just Google or just YouTube The Trading Cowboy.
Yep, pop on over to that big dog. We'll see you later, gang. We'll see you
Thanks,
later.
guys.